Right then, guys. Joey, I know you have an announcement to make.
Yeah, so obviously just before I say what we're going to be doing today, guys, because there has been a few changes. As we know, the first thing, Rob and Tom unfortunately had to leave us this week for their own personal reasons. But regardless to that, there was a few changes I really wanted to make tonight anyway, which a lot of you didn't know about because we have kept it quiet. First thing I want to say, man, guys, can we please remember to keep the noise down? If you do have children in the room and they're loud, please take them into the other room. We'd appreciate that. Remember, we are filming on both cameras. Why are you laughing at me for?
Not at all.
Anyway, so yeah, guys, can we make sure we're keeping the noise down when they are performing and stuff? So there is a few announcements to make, but the first thing I want to say to you all is that the steals are gone. There's no such thing as steals happening anymore, right? So I just want you all to be aware, because I know you thought that maybe somebody could get stolen tonight. It ain't happening, all right? So the steals are dropped. We have dropped that from the competition. But the next thing I've also decided to drop is the categories. There's no such thing as categories anymore, all right? This is obviously the biggest reason for it is because this is a singing competition. And we are ultimately looking for the best and the most standout singers. And unfortunately, to put the right thing to do is to put you all together for us to see as a whole who stands out, not in categories, as a whole. All right. This was going to get tougher anyway, and this is something we brought in last season towards the end, and we are bringing it back this season again. So from this moment on, there's no categories either. All right. The third thing is, there will be somebody leaving from the front of us tonight. One person will be leaving us, all right? One person's going to be leaving in this lineup tonight in front of us. But before we make that decision, later on when we call you all up to the front, we're going to ask for 3 people to step forward.
I won't do it.
Sam, stop it. Why have we got a you for it?
I'm
She's
not
just not
host.
serious. She's not a serious person. Right, so there's 3 people forward. We are going to be calling 3 people forward, all right? And just like we used to do back in the old days of VOTV, we are bringing back the fact of our results and our decisions will be made in front of you. Each judge will say who they want to send out and the reason why. So the reason I like to do it that way is because everyone knows exactly where the votes went and the reasons why. All right. Now this is how we used to do it, and we are introducing it. We haven't done that for about 6 seasons, but we are bringing it back, and it is going to be sticking that way from year on out and into the next seasons in future. I think it's a better way. People want to know why they're being sent out. People want to understand why they've been picked. So by that way, you get to hear that in front like this, and I think it's fairer, all right? It's the right way to do it for me. I don't think we should all go into a group room like that and hide away into it. I think it should be done in front of the whole room, all right? So other than that, that is all the announcements, all right? So that is everything you need to know at this point. I want to have a round of applause for these because we've got an amazing lineup here, guys, all right? Honestly, you're all fantastic, all right? You've got to bring it now. This is where it dramatically changes, all right? So use it as an excitement tool to push out and want to be at your best, all right? I know there's a few, illnesses and stuff going on at the moment, but guys, this is your couple of minutes. You gotta do your best. That's all you need to do, all right? So we are gonna get ready to start the show, but we're gonna take a few minutes while you all sit down. Round of applause for our lineup, guys. Right, we're going to chill out now. We're going to chill out for a minute. We're going to start the show, right? So we'll see you all in a couple of minutes.